Did you know people love watching these animated short story videos? If done correctly with this blueprint, you can earn anywhere from $15,000 to $2,000 every month. The best part of all work to be done with the help of AI, so you don't need to make animation or require more skills. The question is, why should you use this blueprint? Now the answer is 3 secret method. You can earn money by creating this animated short stories, which we'll reveal in the end. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. Let me tell you AI Gist how will be done first. We will use Google Bard, Leonardo AI, Runway ML, and CapCut. There is one more tip for you. Once we created this video, we will upload it on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Reels, and TikTok as well. This is way we can get more eyeballs and brand recognition when we are looking for sponsorship. Don't worry, I will teach you everything in detail. So let's get started. First of all, start with the script for the search by Google Bard and open the first link. Now ask Google Bard to generate me an Imagine Disney short story in 1 paragraph. As the result, Google Bard gives us a beautiful short story that we can use in our videos. Alternatively, you can also take story in Google. Many articles are available, but now I can use Google Bard story for my video. Now we have our script. The next step we need is background images. For this, let's again ask to the Google Bard to generate 9 to 10 prompts of images for this story, for generating images in Leonardo. As a result, here you will get amazing prompts to generate images. Now let's open the Leonardo, which is a free images generated tool. On image generated on the left side, choose the number of images. I will choose 4 when choose the 9:16 ratio if you are generating for YouTube Shorts or for a long-form video. You have to choose 16:09 ratio and then choose the 3D animation style from the available options. Alright, now let's copy the prompts from the Google bar and paste it here and hit generated. Look at this image. How beautiful is it? Now choose one of these images for upscaling it for better quality and download it. Now again, go back to Google Bard and copy the prompts and paste it here. Follow this process until you will get all the images. These are the images that I generated from Leonardo. Now, it's time to generate image to video. For this, I will use Runway ML. Open the link and click on the try for free, then choose the image to video option from the dashboard. These are the example videos to create the video options. Alright, now all you have to do, upload all the images one by one that we generated from Leonardo and hit generate. We will generate a video up to 4 seconds, or if you want to extend, you can also extend by clicking here. Now let's see how it looks up. Amazing. By this way, animate all the images one by one. Alternatively, you can also use Pika Labs to convert images into videos, or which is completely free. Just open Pika Labs, upload your image, and paste here your image prompt, and hit the enter. Now, wait for the few seconds. It will take time to generate the video. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look. The quality of video is good, so you can try any of these tools to animate the images, alright. Now we need a voiceover for this. Open CapCut desktop app and click on text and drag and drop the default text. Now go back to Google Bard, copy a script words from here and paste it here. After that, click on text to speech, choose your voice from available options and add it here. I will go with a chilly girl because it's the perfect voice for my video. Now follow the same process for the rest of the storyline. Just drag and drop the text box, enter the storyline, choose a voice and add it here, and make sure remove all the empty space from the voiceover track to make it more engaging. Now set all the videos into a timeline according to the voiceover, then click on the text to generate auto captions after that. Click on the effect, choose one, this text effect, then click on animation and choose pop out or bounce out from here once it is done. Click on the first click and go to the animation, then go to the combo and choose one that looks best. Do the same process with the rest of the clips. Alright, now go to the effect and try to add one effect to each clip for better engagement. There are so many options. Play with them and which look best now. Go to the filter and choose a clear effect. And add this effect in the whole video so it will enhance the quality of your video. At last step, add your background music and make sure decrease the volume. Now our video is ready. Let's click on export, choose 60 FPS and export this to your computer. Let me show a secret source to earn money from 3 different methods. So I suggested before we will upload this videos on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So the first revenue stream will be AdSense from YouTube once your channel is monetized. Although the same option is not available on the Instagram now, moreover you can sell storybooks from Amazon through affiliate marketing. People will watch such videos and will buy these products as well. This way, you can earn a lot from Amazon affiliate program. The third method is sponsored videos. Once your channel reaches, you will be contacted, or you can reach the relevant ones, a paid collaboration. As per my experience, paid collaboration videos paid from $500 to $2,000. Depends on your negotiation. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Now looks to our video.
With a sprinkle of pixie dust and a whir of clockwork wings, Lily, a lonely clockmaker's daughter, transforms her backyard into a fantastical world where rusty gears bloom into vibrant flowers, and a discarded cuckoo clock becomes a chatty, one-winged dragon who soars through a sky painted with watercolors spilled from her paintbrush.